JioHealthHub offers a host of employee-exclusive health services on a single platform. Employees need to simply link their RIL IDs under Manage Identity tab. Once the corporate ID is linked, you will be able to see Exclusively for You tab on the home page of the app. Let's normalize seeking help. Employees and their families can avail free online therapy sessions, take self-assessment to check emotional health, connect via phone with a counselor 24/7 on phone number 9035358080, read mental and emotional health-related articles. Employees and their families can avail free online therapy from licensed and experienced counselors, where personal data of the employee remains completely anonymous and secure. Employees can rest assured, as the conversations with the therapist are completely private and confidential. To book a therapy session, simply click Book Now. Choose a counselor of your choice based on preferred language, experience and slot availability. Fill in the basic details and select a slot. Click on Book Consult. You will see pay ₹0 to book. On booking successfully, you will get a notification.